Hey friends, ready for some cool coding fun? Let's see how we can display cool emojis on our matrix display. Zoom over to Menu L216. If you're not sure how to get there, our handy menu navigation video will show you the way. If you see a help message scrolling by and can't wait to start, just press the joystick to the left to jump right in. Press the joystick like a button to kick off the activity. Here is the emoji display. We are using bitmaps to display each emoji. You can easily get these emojis bitmaps made from AI tools. When you want to stop, just nudge the joystick to the left and you're done. Curious about how it works? We've got the Python code that makes this application. You can tinker with the code on your laptop through our simulator or chat with our AI coding companion for a cool explanation. Find all the links you need for the simulator and our AI buddy on our website at https://schoginitoys.com. Let's code and have a blast. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.